some many friends from the area, that they're always supporting my life. So can you share my life? Yes. And I know that some people in Victoria are very, very jealous. And the other here in Pakistan, India sometimes. Oh my God. You know what I mean? I don't know, yeah. Because most of the people, they are always, like, I have my friend, just below Liberia. She was in Liberia. Okay? So, like, hindi na ako nakapaglaba. Why? Nagsasampay ako ng aking labahin. Tapos, hindi ko marami. Kasi kung sabihin na tago ako ng hindi ay talaga.
Ayan guys, ang ating coffee. Ayan na yung almusal ko. Na may Quaker oat. Wala nang laman yung aking Quaker oat. Oh. Ay, kain na tayo ng ating. Oy, oh. Mga aso ko naghihintay.